A surprise for Kelly. Take one. Hey, this is Reed behind the bar, and there's Kelly right there. Today, Kelly is my favorite customer, and so today I thought what we'd do, we were at the beach not too long ago, and I started thinking what we have not had in a long time. We haven't made any shots, and I had a pretty good idea for. I had a pretty good idea for.
No, I'm not feeling that at all.
Well, okay. I've got a pretty good idea for a shot.
Do you?
Yeah.
Well, I actually have another idea.
And how does that help me surprise you?
Well, you'll surprise me by doing it.
Okay. Let's just say I have a shot ready.
What if we made... I don't know if you've noticed. It's fall.
It's not fall.
It's fall. It's completely fall. You know what? I bought this yesterday. It's fall. It's fall.
I don't know what that is.
It's a mum.
It's a mum. It's a mum. Mum.
I would like, because Starbucks is telling me that it's so, Dunkin' Donuts is telling me it's so. It's pumpkin spice season. No. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Okay, it's still warm out. It's not.
No, it's not. It's fine. I'm fine.
Why are you wearing flannel?
Because it's fall. It's fall. And I would like a pumpkin spice martini, not a shot.
I'm not prepared to make a pumpkin spice martini.
Yes, you are. We can figure this out. No, we're going to figure this out.
Well, it won't have lime in it.
Well, no. Ew.
Okay. Well, what I do have is I have martini glass.
See?
Okay.
See?
That doesn't mean it's faded.
It's meant to be.
Okay.
Meant to be.
We're doing this in one take. It's not meant to be.
It's meant to be.
Okay.
What else can we do? You've got vodka.
I have vodka. I've got Kettle One vodka, which is fine. But I don't have, a lot of the time you'll use vanilla vodka for this kind of martini, but we don't have to. You can use regular vodka.
You know, I don't like things
and
super sweet anyway.
I do have Bailey's. Okay. You can use Irish cream in a in that kind of martini.
Yeah.
But Bailey. Okay, so Bailey's and Irish.
So how are we going to make this pumpkin-y? Is that what
yeah, we don't have any pumpkin spice. They make pumpkin spice liqueur. I don't have.
I made pumpkin spice syrup. You can buy pumpkin spice syrup. I made it.
Why are you not tending bar today?
Because you are. You're the bartender. You make this out of pumpkin, brown sugar, and water, and pumpkin spice, like the pumpkin pie spice, and you boil it all down, and then you have this.
Pumpkin spice syrup.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the ingredients. We can make a martini. I don't know if it's going to taste like what you're expecting, but
I'm expecting a pumpkin spice martini.
Okay.
Is what I'm expecting.
Okay.
You can do this. I have faith in you.
Yeah. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Okay, it's actually, martinis are easy, right? And we're not. This is not even really a real martini. There's no vermouth in it, but yes, it's a martini. Okay, we're making a pumpkin spice martini because my favorite customer said she wants to have a pumpkin spice martini.
Dang it! It's fall.
Okay, the first step. It's not fall. The first step is easy, right? We're gonna do things not like I was gonna do them. That's always easy.
See?
Okay.
You're loving this. You love a challenge.
Okay, a martini will have 2 or 3 ounces of either gin or vodka. We're going to put 2 ounces of vodka, two and a half?
Two? What
I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're almost out of the Kettle One, so okay. So
that's probably a good thing.
We've got 2 ounces of vodka. Now, a lot of martinis, holiday martinis or fall martinis will have Bailey's. So so we'll do, let's try, we're going to experiment. Now you can do this, you can make these and you can just tweak them a little bit to your taste. So we're going to put 1 ounce of Bailey's. Okay, we have 2 ounces of vodka.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All
okay.
right. That looks good.
Okay, now we have.
You might want to shake it up a little bit. There we go.
I don't know how much of this to use. Okay, so it's pretty sweet. It's mostly sugar.
It's pretty sweet, but it does have a spice to it.
Okay, so maybe about the same amount as the Bailey's, 1 ounce of this.
Okay.
Okay, I don't have a measure, but we'll just say this shot.
But we were going to do shots, and now we have a shot glass.
Yeah, so we'll use that. I'm going to call that about 1 ounce. Okay.
Okay.
Now, okay. If we were really being festive, we would do something like we'd rim the glass with something like brown sugar.
Or graham cracker crumbs?
Jesus Christ.
Look what I did.
Okay.
Look what I did.
Yeah.
We're gonna be festive.
Yeah.
We're celebrating fall.
Festive.
This is so
I don't
exciting.
have. I thought I had a bottle of water.
Oh, you do.
Oh, you took my water. All right.
I didn't know you needed it.
Well,
I
was drinking water. All right.
I thought you just left it there.
No,
And, you know,
okay.
take one. I'm like, oh, Reed left a
So this
unwanted prop on
This
the bar.
is just regular graham cracker crumbs? Okay. So you can rim a glass for martinis a lot of different ways.
Now, how are you doing? You're putting, so you got
So we got just a little bit of water.
You have 2 plates here.
There's
I
2
don't know.
plates that I think, yeah.
Water plate, graham cracker plate.
Right. They're just little. I happen to have these behind the bar.
Just happened to.
And
I might have planted them.
no. Okay. Okay, so that's what we're working with. So it's
In the water.
Whoa. Rimming these is, I was going to say it's easy. You just get the top of the glass wet, and you can, if you don't have a plate that's the right size, just roll it through there.
It's pretty.
And it looks nice.
It is.
So for a pumpkin martini, you can do pumpkin spice martini. You can do graham crackers, so it's like a pumpkin pie.
You know, it also would be really pretty is like coconut sugar. Do you know what coconut sugar is?
Yeah.
It's,
You're talking to me?
Well, I'm talking to our friends.
Yeah. Do you know what coconut sugar is?
It looks like brown sugar. It's a little more granular, and it's really delicious. That looks amazing.
Okay. So now
That looks amazing.
we'll see how this. I don't even like pumpkin spice. That's the most
You might
annoying
like
thing.
this one.
Well, whatever. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Now this actually, it does look nice.
It looks really nice.
If you're doing this at a party or for guests, you could garnish it with something like, if it's Halloween, you could use a black licorice piece, or you could use a cinnamon stick.
Do you want to see what else I bought yesterday? So I bought this.
Okay. Do
But
I?
you know what's coming, right?
Oh. All right.
It's coming.
Okay.
So exciting.
Okay. Evidently, it is actually fall. So we have a cinnamon stick. Is this big enough? Yes, it is. Look at that. Oh, now it's sinking a little. Okay.
You have sunk my cinnamon stick.
I have sunk the cinnamon stick. Okay. Please try this lovely and perfectly well planned out pumpkin spice martini.
Cheers, y'all. You know what? The ratio is perfect because I don't like things too sweet either. This is a dessert drink, by the way. This is not like something you're going to chug like 5 of. Well, and if you do, that's another conversation. But when you're trying to decide, do I have another drink or do I have dessert? You could have this and you have both.
Okay, that is pretty good. I'm still not a big pumpkin spice fan. I will never order a pumpkin spice coffee.
Well, I will never make one of these for you.
But that I would, yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. Well, you know what's great about being able to do this stuff, and is first,
Staying on your toes?
you stay on your toes. You know how to make a lot of different cocktails, and then when you can do that, your favorite bar can be wherever you are, right?
And right now it's right here next to my mom, my new Halloween thing, and I am super psyched.
Yes, indeed.
I'm really glad you chilled this though. You know why?
No.
It's hot as balls out here.
Yeah, I know, because it's not fall yet. Jesus. Thank you for joining us. Please comment and subscribe and all that jazz.
Bye, guys.
Bye.